Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our line of cable caddies. We currently have 3 cable caddies in the line, and these cable caddies are the CC-2721, the CC-2721WS, and the CC-5442. Now, each of the cable caddies feature the following: rugged, sturdy steel construction with dual leg chains for stability and support. Each cable caddy will support up to a 100-pound spool and can fit a 16-inch diameter by 21-inch tall spool. Each cable caddy also has slip-resistant rubber feet and are easily collapsible for convenient storage in small locations. Now, the CC-2721WS also has 2 wheels on it to allow you to drag the cable caddy about instead of having to lift it up. It also comes with this convenient strap to allow you to pull it along, or if you're going to a job site, you can use the strap to put it on your shoulder to free your hands up so that you can carry other things. The CC-5442 is a double-decker cable caddy, so it'll hold a single 16 by 21 spool up to 100 pounds, or you can have multiple spools and double-decker them like this, but spool's maximum diameter is 12 inches. The cable caddies are easy to use. Simply pull the pin, slide the solid steel rod out, and remove the spool, or load your spool in, slide the solid steel rod through the spool, and then through the caddy, and insert the pin. That simple. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below. Subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.